Welcome to Revosis YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain how to a Windows 11 Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting. Problem solve. Are you frustrated with your Windows 11 Wi-Fi connection constantly disconnecting? You're not alone. Millions of users have reported this issue since Windows 11's launch, and it can disrupt everything from work calls to streaming sessions. We'll cover basic troubleshooting, advanced fixes, and preventive tips, all optimized for long-term stability. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit to resolve Windows 11 Wi-Fi disconnecting randomly, Wi-Fi drops every few minutes on Windows 11, and similar issues. Let's get your connection rock solid. If you wish, you can view the complete article on our website. Let's get started.
Understanding why Windows 11 Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting. Before jumping into fixes, it's crucial to understand the root causes. Windows 11 introduced new networking features, but they've led to compatibility problems for some users. Common culprits include outdated or incompatible Wi-Fi drivers. Windows 11 might install generic drivers that don't play well with your hardware, causing intermittent drops. Power management settings. To save battery, Windows can throttle Wi-Fi adapters, leading to disconnections during idle periods. Network interference. Overcrowded Wi-Fi channels, nearby devices like microwaves or cordless phones, or weak signals can trigger drops. Software conflicts. Antivirus programs, VPNs, or recent Windows updates might interfere. With network stability, router or ISP issues. Sometimes, the problem isn't your PC, faulty router firmware, ISP outages, or DNS problems could be at play. Hardware problems. Faulty Wi-Fi adapters, overheating, or even a dying router can mimic software issues. IPv6 conflicts. Windows 11's default IPv6 support can clash with older networks, causing disconnects. Background processes. Resource-heavy apps or Windows services might overload your system, affecting Wi-Fi. If you've searched for, "Why does my Wi-Fi keep disconnecting on Windows 11?" These are the top reasons based on user forums like Reddit, Microsoft Community, and tech blogs. Now let's fix it step by step. Right-click the Wi-Fi icon, open Network and Internet Settings, Wi-Fi Manage Known Networks, and click on the Wi-Fi. Manage Known Network. Now, forget the networks you don't use anymore. Go to Settings. Windows Update. Check for updates. Install any available updates, including optional ones under Advanced Options. Restart your PC after installation. Right-click Start and click Device Manager. Network adapters. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, update driver, and click Search automatically. Manual update. Visit your manufacturer's site, e.g., Dell, HP, Intel, and download the latest Windows 11 compatible driver. Install it and restart. Again, click Device Manager. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter Properties Power Management tab. Uncheck, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. This wipes all network configurations without affecting files. Go to Settings, Network and Internet. Advanced Network Settings. Network Reset. Click Reset now. Reconnect to Wi-Fi afterward. Caution! You'll need to re-enter passwords for all networks, but it's a powerful fix for corrupted stacks. Again, open Settings, Network and Internet. Click on the Wi-Fi. Hardware Properties. Edit IP Assignment. Manual. Search for Control Panel. Network and Internet. Network Sharing Center. Change adapter settings. Click Properties. Uncheck Internet Protocol version 6. All for now. After this, your Wi-Fi will no longer disconnect repeatedly. So, how did you like today's video? If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.